You know, we're always telling you about medical breakthroughs here at 5 o'clock, but do you know where some of those breakthroughs come from?
Well, you know, some of the fun stuff is on display at a convention called the National Strength and Conditioning Association. It's going on right now. News 13's Dave Malkoff spent the day searching the floor at the Riviera.
Okay, I'm probably the first guy ever to try rock climbing in a tie, but this is the NSCA, National Strength and Conditioning Association convention here at the Riviera in Las Vegas. It's where technology meets the gym.
Now, this is what you expect to see in a room full of exercise experts, but if you know where to look, you'll find some crazy stuff.
First name is Jay.
Careful what you sign up for.
Okay, Jay, if I could have you stand on the scale.
Jay says is a local personal trainer, trying out the bod pod.
Now I'm going to run 2 or 3 tests. They're about 45 seconds each. Here we go.
Far beyond your bathroom scale, you get inside the pod.
It's an airtight seal.
Close the door, the sides seal magnetically, and the air pressure suddenly changes.
What we're trying to extrapolate from this device is we're trying to measure the body density of the individual that's inside there.
Accurately calculating the body mass and body fat in less than 5 minutes.
You're all done.
Good job, dude, good job. Keep that pace up, keep that pace up.
But in this event,
That away. You're 15 seconds in.
is just beginning. The VersaClimber is kind of like a Stairmaster on steroids.
It's a machine that, you know, you love or you hate it. But people are into going for a minute challenge.
shoes on it.
Yeah, he has weighted shoes on. That's pretty good.
Wait a second, weighted shoes?
And it's really great for cardio enhancement and weight loss.
The guys over at Heavy Air Shoes will strap up to 2 pounds of metal on your shoe. Now, that's good for running, but bad for airport security.
It really gets the buzzer off, believe me.
Got a year shelf life.
New energy bars and drinks will give you a quick buzz, and get this, they actually kinda sorta taste not bad.
I'm taking one more sip.
This convention lasts till tomorrow here at the Riviera. It's a lot of fun and it's a lot of hard work here at the Riviera Convention Center. I'm Dave Malkoff, News 13 inside Las Vegas.
And if those weight shoes aren't enough for you, they've also got a weight vest. Try running loaded down with 40 pounds of extra weight on your chest. I know why the trauma center is reopening. More from the convention coming up for you at 6 o'clock.
That is great. Great stuff.